Hi everyone, today I'm going to unbox American Micronics wet and dry vacuum cleaner. It has a capacity of 21 liters and the wattage is 1600 watts. I bought this in Amazon during this Great Indian Sale. I paid around 6700 for it. We also got a warranty card along with the manual. Seems there are a few more attachments inside. And HEPA filter. And very good thing about this particular vacuum cleaner is we get this reusable dust bag which can be washed and which can be detached in that way so that we can throw the dust easily. This small cap thing, I don't know what it is. Later I realized that it is called as float, which should have been inside the HEPA filter. These are the entire set of attachments which we got this with product. Let's go one by one. The first thing is hose pipe. This is the main unit which you attach to the vacuum cleaner. You just need to press the button there and insert it inside it. And there are extension rods. There are two extension rods. One can be put inside the other and join it to the hose pipe. This is called floor brush or carpet brush. This is 2-in-1 water brush. The default one is woolen one, which you don't use it for water, but this can be detached and the other one can be attached. This is how you remove it, and you can add the water one to them. This is called round brush, which can be used to clean sofas and curtains. And this is called as crimp tool, which will be very handy to clean windows and small places where you cannot reach. We are done with unboxing. Now let's start installation. So there are two small hind wheels. So you just need to press them. It gets fixed there. Guys, for many of them HEPA filter was already fixed, but I don't know, somehow I received it separately. There is a small cap like thing called float which needs to be put inside that filter tunnel and then attach it to it. Then just press the HEPA filter. Don't press it from the top because it is sensitive. Then you just need to tighten the cap from the downside. Upper part is done, guys. So dust bag, you just ensure that you press it properly, otherwise if it is loose, all the dust accumulates inside the drum, which is not good for HEPA filter too. Place the upper part in such a way that the blower hole is just opposite to the vacuum hole. Done with fixing, guys. So let's run this and see how it works. This is all about unboxing and installation, guys. I'll come back with usage and review video.